Good morning, students. Today we discuss about the lesson Public Health and the Government. As citizens of the country, we expect the government to look after the basic needs of people. Clean drinking water, proper sanitation, minimum food, education, and health facilities are required for all. No one should be excluded, nor should this be dependent on whether one is rich or poor. Since we consider all citizens to be equal, these basic needs should be available to people in all situations. In order to prevent and treat illness, we need appropriate facilities such as health centers, hospitals, laboratories for diagnosis, ambulance services, blood banks, etc. We require qualified health workers, nurses, doctors, lab technicians, etc., who can advise, diagnose, and treat illness. We also need medicines and equipment that are necessary for treating patients. To prevent illness, in addition to vaccinations, we need enough food, safe drinking water, proper sanitation, and clean environment. India has a largest number of doctors, clinics, and hospitals. India also has the experience and knowledge of running a public health care system. This is a system of hospitals and health centers run by the government, catering to huge population scattered over lakhs of villages. Moreover, there has been much advancement in medical science in the form of technology treatment procedures. India is the fourth largest producer of medicines in the world and is also a large exporter of medicines. India has the largest number of medical colleges in the world. Approximately 15,000 new doctors quality every year. Healthcare facilities have grown substantially over the years. In 1950, there was only 2,717 hospitals in India. In 1991, there was 11,174 hospitals. In 2000, the number grew to 18,218. For some people, the best facilities are available while the others do not have basic health care. This is contrary to what the Constitution desires for all the people in the country. We have the money, knowledge, and experience to change the situations. There are two healthcare services are there. One is public healthcare service. The second one is private healthcare service. What is public healthcare service? In the system, to provide free or at a low cost so that every poor can seek treatment. Another important function of public health to take action to prevent spread of diseases such as TB, malaria, jaundice, cholera, diarrhea, chikungunya, etc. Private healthcare service. There is a wide range of private health facilities that exist in our country. In the rural areas, one finds registered medical practitioner. Urban areas have a large number of doctors, many of them providing specialized service in their private hospital and nursing homes. Private health facilities are run to make profit, so they charge heavily for everything, even though the actual cost of the facility. For example, medicine or a test may not be so much. Okay, students, do you understand the lesson? Okay, good. I will give you an assignment questions. What do people expect from government in a democracy? Once again, I will repeat the question. What do you people expect from government in a democracy? The second question is, what are the two categories of healthcare services? What are the categories of two healthcare services? Okay, thank you.